Hello everybody, happy Friday and welcome to the very first episode of Get Does. In this video I'll be talking about gardening, how easy it is to do, and by the end of it, you'll be able to make something that looks just like this. And just before we get started with the video, have you brushed your teeth this morning? That's alright, I barely even knew it was Friday. Not to put my wife on blast or anything, but this is what she grew, so maybe don't take my advice. Gardening is a mood booster. Studies in the United States and abroad have found that gardening improves your mood and increases your self-esteem. When people spend time in a garden, their anxiety levels drop and they may feel less depressed, and they make you a happier person. Gardening can be very overwhelming when you first begin because there's so many different options out there. Are you going to start with a seed? Are you going to go straight to a potted plant? Are you going to grow vegetables, herbs? Are you going to grow citrus fruit? The solution is to just grow succulents. Succulents are the answer because they are very resilient and very easy to take care of. I honestly believe it takes more effort to kill one than to just keep it alive. One of the awesome things about succulents is you can really have them growing anywhere you want. You can have them indoors, you can have them outdoors, you can have them in the kitchen. A lot of people have them in the office. It's just a nice way to brighten up any location. So where are you gonna get these little bad boys? So where are you gonna buy these bad boys? Well, I myself used to go to places such as Lowe's and Home Depot, but lately I've been supporting local businesses, so consider going to a nearby nursery instead. You're also going to want to pick up some soil for these guys. And there's a bunch of different soil out there and they're very confusing. But all you have to concentrate on is buy whichever one says it's for cactus and or succulents. You may also want to buy a pot. And if you go ahead and buy this pot, you should just get one that's a little bit bigger than whatever your succulent already comes in. Or you could just not even get a pot, just keep it in there. It'll grow just fine. So taking care of these succulents is very, very easy. All you really gotta do is just dig in with your finger and see if the soil is completely dry. And if it is, go ahead and add just enough water that it gets nice and moist. Don't make them moist. Now, as far as placement goes, I know earlier in the video I said you can pretty much put them wherever you like. What you should really keep in mind is the fact that they need a lot of sun. So if there's a sunnier area in your house, go ahead and place them there, and then you're pretty much good to go. So this information I gave you, you should be able to become a beast mode gardener in no time. And if you want to go further than this, you can go ahead and start planting tomatoes, rosemary, ferns, and the rattlesnake plant. They're all very easy to take care of as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.